Every production line is built on precision, but when inspections rely on manual processes, hidden defects, disconnected systems, and unexpected equipment failures can quietly impact quality, productivity, and profitability. Now imagine a manufacturing operation where every asset can see, listen, think, and act. With Pragma Edge and IBM Maximo application suite, AI-powered visual inspection helps detect defects in real time. Connected assets, sensors, and enterprise systems continuously monitor equipment health, creating complete visibility across the production floor. Powered by observability, predictive intelligence, and AI-driven insights, maintenance teams can identify potential issues early, make informed decisions, and act before disruptions impact production. The result is measurable business value, higher overall equipment effectiveness, increased asset uptime, fewer unplanned downtimes, optimized spare parts inventory, and lower operating costs. Backed by deep IBM Maximo expertise, proprietary accelerators, and proven managed services, Pragma Edge helps manufacturers build intelligent operations that continuously see, listen, think, and act. Pragma Edge, powering your connected enterprise.